Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing. This time I will have the Fabfitfun, the Pinterest box, which looks like this. And I got this with the Fabfitfun summer edit sale. I will have those other ones in a different video because it's gonna take too long to open the two of them at the same time. So I will have this one in this video, and then I will post the other ones. So I will leave also the link down below if you want to subscribe to them. So far, here is the box, at least how the box looks inside, the Pinterest one. And it seems like they come with more and more sales and all kind of things on their website. I will leave it down below, but now let's see the Pinterest box, which looks like this. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box. First thing, as usual, we have the information regarding the products in this box, and I'm not gonna give you details about each of them. There are a couple items that I choose from a range of 3 products as far as I remember, and it's just funny, and you'll see why. First thing that I got in here, it's Tarte Sweat Proof Lifted Mascara, which is this one. And I have one of these in my project pen. This one came in this one, and this one came in a kit. It's a dark brown mascara, it's not a black one. The next thing in here is this Erin Co acid wash. It's a cleansing rinse, and this one came in another box in a small size. I believe this one is the full size. Then we have in here taking tablets, fun for all the family, and this one is dipsticks. I have no idea what's this. Anyway, here is the book of Mormon. I don't even know, 160 DPM, pick a stick and have a laugh. Anyway, probably it's a game, I have no idea what's this. Anyway, is this one right here. Then we have a Lorac product, and this is Matte Lip Color, and this one is in the shade Rose. It's another brand that comes often in Fabfitfun boxes and other ones. And here is the product, and let's see the shade of this. Very hard to open this. Anyway, finally, this one looks like this, and here is the shade. I like the shade of this one. Lorac lipstick. Then we have in here this guy, which is this one is Snacks, probably some chips, but as you can see it's a big hole in here, so for me this one is done. Next product in here we have this, which is, what's this? Open this and see what we have here. Really pretty. And this one is, we have a code here. Let's jet set. It's like a small wallet with those 2 pockets here. Also looks like and this one, and also we have this tag here. It's a travel set with, anyway, couple things. Let's see if this one has a name. And that one's supposed to be Travel the Jet Set Diaries passport case and luggage tag duo. Anyway, good to have it, and the price of this is $28. Also the mascara is $23. What else we have in here that I showed you? The Lorac lipstick is it's 19. The hair product is $32. This one is Celebration. It's trivia night. It's a game. It's $14.99. And we have the snack was $1.08. And we have a couple more items in here, and I'll let you know the prices. We have in here this Kopari set, and I just got in another haul. I got the face one. This is coconut multitasking kit, which looks like this, and this set is $40. And this one comes with coconut shear oil, coconut body glow, coconut melt, and coconut balm. Is this one right here. As I said, this one is $40. And we have from Summer and Rose ombre scarf. Is this one right here. And I remember I chose this one between this and another product. And let's see what's the color of this. I hope you can see the color for this one. And then we have one more product in here, which is this one, Pier 1 Imports. And this one, the scarf is $58, which is not quite cheap. And the last thing in here, as far as I see on the card, it's a vase. And this one looks like this. Is this gold with green? Here is the size of this. And here is the shape. So far we have a vase in this box. The box is okay for me, I would say. It has new products that I didn't see before, like this vase. We have this Kopari kit, multitasking kit. We have this trivia game. We have this hair product. Is the acid wash cleansing rinse in a full size. We have this scarf. We have the mascara, the Tarte mascara, Lorac lipstick. This travel set for with a passport holder and a tag, and those snacks, which who knows how they are, but I'm not gonna try them because it seems like somebody just put his or her finger in this one. Anyway, this is the box, the Pinterest box from Fabfitfun. Let me know if you got this box, if you like it. What did you got in your box? What was the choice for you? What do you like from this box? And if you like Fabfitfun in general. So that's kind of all for this video. Another box from Fabfitfun. This time was the Pinterest one. There are good products in here with a great value. Also, I don't know exactly how much was this one, but I'll leave the price on the screen for this box, probably 49, if I remember right, 49.99 or something. So as value, it's a good box. I'm trying to see what product, my favorite product from this box. Probably the Kopari here. So that's kind of all for this video. I will see you soon with my add-ons for summer, with the edit sale for summer. If you wanna watch that, stay close, because I will post that very soon. And also I wanna wish you a great day. You guys are amazing with your comments and your support. I hope you'll stay like that. Again, thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.